the second worst president in history. Andrew Johnson never expected to be president. He was a self-made man, a tailor-turned politician who had climbed the ranks from mayor to senator. But when Abraham Lincoln was assassinated in April 1865, Johnson suddenly found himself leading a nation still reeling from the Civil War. At first, Johnson spoke of punishing the South, but his actions told a different story. He believed in quick restoration, allowing Confederate states to rejoin the Union without guaranteeing rights for newly freed Black Americans. He vetoed civil rights legislation, opposed the 14th Amendment, and clashed with radical Republicans who wanted stronger protections for freed slaves. His resistance led to one of the most dramatic moments in U.S. history, his impeachment. In 1868, Congress charged him with violating the Tenure of Office Act after he tried to remove Secretary of War Edwin Stanton, a key figure in Reconstruction. The House of Representatives impeached him, making Johnson the first U.S. president to face trial in the Senate. The vote was close. One senator's decision saved him from removal. But Johnson's presidency was effectively over. He finished his term isolated and powerless, unable to push his agenda forward. Years later, Johnson made an unexpected comeback, winning a seat in the U.S. Senate in 1875. But his return was short-lived. He died just months after taking office. History remembers him as the president who stood in the way of Reconstruction, a leader who fought Congress and lost. Please, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. It helps the video reach more people. Thanks for watching.